Bonjour French chic ladies, it's Marianne, and today in my video I will show you 10 shoes that every woman should own. By the end of this video you will know exactly which type of shoes French women wear all the time and which one you will be able to bring into your wardrobe so you have versatile shoes that you can count on every single day. Shoes can make or break an outfit. You can really take an outfit from the zero to the hero. Let's start with a really good pair of summer sandals. They have rubber soles, so they are not hard on the foot. They have a padded inner sole here, so again they are really soft on the foot. And they have leather straps here. They are also stylish. You see, there's no toe post, they hold the foot really well, and this color goes with absolutely everything. Why should every woman own a pair like this? Because they are highly comfortable. I wear them to the beach, I wear them when I go to the market, I can wear them when I go to the mall, I can wear them even at home or in the garden. I wear them and I can wear them almost everywhere. In daytime, they are not an evening shoe. But why especially would French women love these? As you know, we French women absolutely love our clothes and our accessories and our footwear to be highly versatile as well. And this is a highly versatile shoes sandal to own. The second shoe every woman should own is a pair of Chanel style shoes. So these are slingbacks, but you can also have the pump style. They come in block heels. You can have them also as a ballet flat or various heel height and heel style. French women adore them because they add a Chanel style look to your outfit, whether casual or whether stylish. These feature extensively in my Chanel Chic masterclass and the link is below. So if you like French look outfit, these will do the job. Every woman should own a pair of sneakers. In France, we do, especially those blue Converse. These are a favorite. But some people have said that they don't find Converse ultra comfortable. But you can wear some inserts to make them more comfortable for you if you like. We also like, of course, those white sneakers, and these are from Superga. Superga, super comfortable. So sneakers, not gym shoes, are comfortable, of course, and they add a touch of casual to your outfit. You can wear these with, for instance, something really stylish, and have worn them, these and these, with my trouser suit, which is navy pinstripe, and it looks amazing. The next shoes everyone should have, of course, is a pair of ballet flats. We call them les ballerines in France. I think that every French woman owns one of these, and as a matter of fact, more than one pair. They have them in a number of colors. This I can assure you. They are comfortable for spring and summer, and to make them even more comfortable, you can have some in a bigger heel. Oh my gosh, French chic ladies, look what I'm going to show you. I have just received 3 beautiful pairs of shoes from Vivaia. And you must not miss my video on Friday because I will feature them extensively. Next, a pair of shoes that definitely every woman should own. It's not so much the style of shoe, but the color, and it is nude shoes. So by nude, what I mean is that the color of the shoe is the closest as possible to the color of your nude legs. It is because they visually lengthen your legs so that your legs appear so much longer and almost legs of a gazelle. I definitely would not be without my nude pumps. And you can wear them with not only skirts and dresses, but also with skin-tight trousers or jeans. They give a touch of sexiness, and they are, of course, so versatile. A next pair of shoes every woman should own, and every French woman actually owns, is loafers. Look at these beautiful loafers. In France, we call them les mocassins. These pair of black ones from Tory Burch, absolutely gorgeous. When I look at them, I think, oh my God, they are so beautiful. Ooh, just like a pet you want to caress. Absolutely gorgeous. And I actually did a video on these, and I will link to that here. You know, les mocassins don't have to be black. As you can see, you can have them in various colors now, and I have some in brown and some in nude. You can also have them in flats. You can wear them with a casual outfit to elevate the outfit, or you can wear them with an overall stylish outfit. You can wear them with skirts and dresses, with trousers, with jeans, with absolutely anything. Which ones are your favorites so far? Please let us know in the comments. Next to our list are a pair of brogues. We call them les derbies. And you may think, but Marianne, aren't they for men? If you have been following me for a while, you know by now that in France, we do like to mix the feminine and the masculine. It's going to add a touch of masculinity to a feminine outfit. For instance, we do wear them in the winter or autumn with a pair of opaque tights, for instance, but with a short skirt or short dress. So the effect is that it tones down the overly feminine or overly sexy outfit. Next, look at this beautiful, again, it's one of those shoes you just want to touch and admire and kiss. So ankle or calf boots are really one of those essential boots to have in your armory in the autumn and winter. They look great with that heel, and they are from Clarks. But when you see them, you really think they are from Yves Saint Laurent. I have been asked that a few times. I have been wearing these with trousers and jeans. But there are so many ways you can wear calf or ankle boots. So do you have one of those? Please let us know below. Now you may be shocked by my next footwear because it is my oldest footwear, and I kid you not, they are 20 years old. Yes, I said 20, not 20 years old. Here they are. They are my beautiful knee-length boots. They are from Bali. Why are they, in my view, essentials to have? Because they give a feminine touch to your skirt or to your dresses. Because of course, you have to show them off. You can't wear them under a pair of trousers. It will be such a waste. And generally, that style is classic and really timeless. So you can wear them with a pair of opaque tights or a pair of collants fantaisie, as we call them in France. They are tights with a kind of a design to give the knee area a little bit of sexiness. And finally, I thought I would put in my list a shoe that you absolutely love, just for the very reason that you absolutely love them. But of course, I would add, as a French woman, that you do wear a lot. For me, these are those shoes that I absolutely love and that I do wear a lot. Essentially, I can wear them with everything I actually want to wear. And that makes them so versatile that you can't be without a pair of shoes like this. So let us know below which pair of shoe is your absolute favorite and what you think of these 10 shoes that I've chosen and that, to me, every woman should own. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it and share. Thank you very much for watching. À bientôt.